Hey guys, today we're still working on this 06 Tribeca, giving you guys a full tour of the car. We're going to go ahead and remove this left side tail light. So, shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. There's no reason to go pay the dealership $100, $120 for 2 minutes worth of work. Send that money to me, or better yet, just subscribe. So, you should have these little black things. Grab a flathead clip remover. Just put your little tool on the edge of it and catch it. It will open up as like so. I'm going to save these because these are hard to find. I'll grab my 10. These are 10 screws. Number 10 and number 10. Now, if I see how I just tap it like this, it'll come out. Sometimes these been in here and there's a lot of, if you're living in like an area with a lot of dust and dirt, it'll get in there and this thing will just get pretty much like lodged in there with all that dirt. So you kind of just got to tap it a couple times or give it a good budge and it will come out like so. This guy right here and this guide pin plastic, and then just twist to the left, pull out, twist to the left and pull out. If your bulb is bad, replace the bulb, put them back in, twist to the right. You can't put this in here, it won't allow it. These pins are set up so they only go in one place. That's it. Literally change the bulb, slide this puppy back in, put your 2 10s in and put the caps in and you're done. Make sure when you put this in, make sure when you put this guy in that this slides into here, or else you're gonna have one hell of a hard time. And don't force it because you'll break this, and good luck trying to find this piece. If you call us, if you're local, come down, I'll give you one. But if I gotta ship this for you, it might cost you some money. So if you look from up here, you can see the guide pin going in the plastic. If you look right through here, so when you're putting it on, kind of you can have a visual as you go in so you don't break it. And then if you pull this, let's say this is in, and you pull this thing out all the way. See that? This is the water seal that goes in here. Make sure if you pull it out for some unknown reason, make sure you put it all the way back in, or else you can have a swimming pool or a fish tank in your trunk down the road. And when it rains, I'm going to go ahead and put these back in here. So if any of you guys need this stuff, call us. It'll be on the website. You can physically, man, these are hard to go back on. But I learned from the last side. We'll put these up on our website. We're going to itemize most of the car. It's a nice car. I feel bad taking it apart. Come on. There it goes. Yeah, we're going to be tearing down the car a lot more, and we'll itemize everything on the website. So if you guys need stuff, call us. We do carry the largest amount of Tribeca parts. We've probably had 24 of these cars in. And we plan on getting more in because they're very popular for parts and hard to find. And please subscribe to our channel.